torque range of the EFS spindle screwdriver spans from 3 to 500 Newton meters, and max speed is 2,000 revolutions per minute. The custom hardware endows the spindle with a lifespan of over 1,000,000 cycles and exceptional control accuracy. Its 6 sigma torque accuracy reaches plus or minus 3%, providing the industry with high torque, high precision tightening solutions. Integrated angle encoder to meet the requirements of tightening critical and safety level control. Designed for high durability, meeting the requirements for long-term use in production lines. High precision servo spindle with a measuring range of 3 to 500 Newton meters. System torque accuracy plus 3% at 6 sigma.